Hi from Best Turkish Recipe channel. Today we are preparing apple cookie. First, take a packet of butter and melt it, then let it cool in a bowl. Add half glass of yogurt, half glass of powdered sugar and half glass of oil. Stir them. Add 6 glasses of flour and a packet of baking powder and start to knead the dough. Take the dough on the bench and keep on kneading. When it's ready, divide it 3 as you see. To have a crispy dough, cover it and keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. Take 3 grated apples and 4 tablespoons of sugar and start to cook till it's red. Add 1 sweet spoon of cinnamon and half glass of walnuts. It's ready. Take a piece of dough. Roll it with a little flour as you see. Cut small pieces of dough. Fill them with a sweet spoon of apple mixture. Close them carefully. Our cookie is ready. Now, bake the cookies 180 degrees heated oven in 25 minutes. When it's cool, serve with powdered sugar. Good appetite! Don't forget to subscribe our channel.